top spot on my countdown of least reported birds I've seen is the Gunnison sage grouse. I drove a few hours from my house in the Vail Valley to Gunnison, Colorado in April to catch them during their lek, a mating display. Their range is incredibly limited. They're found only in a small part of southwestern Colorado and a few nearby areas, making them one of North America's most range-restricted and elusive birds. The grouse stayed very far away, which made for tough photos through a scope, but I could hear their drumming and watch them run across the fields. With about 1,200 sightings on eBird, the Gunnison sage grouse is the least observed bird on my life list. Follow Blaze Birding for more rare birds.